Hello, welcome to our video presentation on safe driving practices for truck drivers. Today we will be discussing rule number 1, slowing down. Let's dive right in. As a truck driver, it is crucial to remember that you are operating a large vehicle with a heavy load. This means that your vehicle requires more time and distance to come to a complete stop compared to smaller vehicles. By slowing down, you give yourself the opportunity to have a better control over your truck and react promptly to any unexpected situations that may arise. Remember, just slow down. One way to ensure a safe speed while driving is by maintaining an appropriate following distance. A general rule of thumb is to keep a minimum of 7 seconds of following distance between your truck and the vehicle in front of you. This allows you to have enough time to react if the vehicle ahead suddenly brakes or encounters an obstacle on the road. So how do you determine your following distance? It is quite simple. Just find a target such as a road sign or a specific point on the road that the vehicle in front of you is about to cross. As soon as that vehicle crosses that reference point, start counting 1,000, 2 1,000, and so on, until you cross the same reference point. The number of seconds it takes you to cross that point is your following distance. Remember, it's important to slow down. Once you determine your following distance, it is important to assess if any adjustments are necessary. If the road conditions are poor, visibility is reduced, or the traffic is just simply heavy, you may need to increase your following distance to allow for an additional reaction time. Remember, it is always better to be safe and give yourself more space on the road. Just slow down. In conclusion, rule number 1 of safe driving for truck drivers is to slow down. By maintaining a safe speed and following the 7-second rule for following distance, you enhance your control over your vehicle and improve your ability to react to any unforeseen circumstances. Remember, safety should always be the top priority on the road for you. You're a professional driver. It's about time that you start using the correct rules. Drive the right way. We drive to protect others.